Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. Now, those people who know me, they know for me it's all about making a difference. So thank you for being here. Thank you. What I want to do today is look back, since this is Saturday, this is the weekend for me, I'm based in Thailand, look back what happened yesterday. From 7 a.m. UK time, back test for 8 hours with one currency pair, using one of the amazing ninja tools we have inside the ninjas. It's a simple ninjacator, effective tools, built with Bollinger Bands. It's got an EMA 100 built inside it. We've also got the Ninja Mac D. So ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your hats. I'm going to share my screen right now, and we can count the wins, losses together. This is a chart, ladies and gentlemen. EUR, Canadian dollar. I'm using FXCM on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, this is based on UTC, which is London, and I've set that there currently at 700, 0700. Okay. See if I can 700. So I'm going to set some basic rules for you. But this here, for them to be a buy, price must be above this white line and also above this line here, and also above this center line, and this also be green. So this is 7 o'clock, got that there. Now we're looking, this is a PSARs, or stop loss goes underneath here. So what we do is I go down there, I do long, into the trade there, or even there. So let's just say there. We're on the 1 minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. And what I'm looking for is 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Yeah. And if it gets that, ladies and gentlemen, if it gets that there as it does there, consider that as a win. Now, in another video, we'll actually, what I do with, we actually trail our stops up. You can see there, that was one trade, one win. Marked it. Price comes back down, hits this midline. Yeah. We've got a crossover here. The price here comes down there. It tells me to re-enter there. So I just take my long position. We're above this line. We're above that line. And we're there. Do you see that? This goes the other side of the PSARs, and we're looking for 1 to 1.5. Do we do that? Thank you very much. 2 trades, 2 wins. 1.5, 1.5 is 3% growth, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. Price keeps going up. I could have got it, but it's staying above there. So at this point here, as you can see, it starts changing direction. It says here we're waiting for a sell, but we're above this here, and we're above this here. At this point here, we get a signal. It says, Jeff, you should consider this as a short. So let me just check. My stop loss, just that PSAR there. I've got that there. I'm underneath that. Do I get 1 to 1.5? No. Oh, it goes all the way. Do I get 1.5? Yes, I do. It's another 1.6. So that's 4.5% growth, ladies and gentlemen. 4.5% growth with 3 trades. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. This is the Ninjacator. This is a MACD. This is EMAs inside the Ninjacator, and the pieces are all built inside our tool. Yeah, it comes back. It goes above the line. No trade, because we're underneath that one. We're in consolidation zone. Another thing you notice, this constricts. It becomes very narrow. Yeah, it's very narrow. No trade. It becomes very narrow. It's something you have to learn. This point here, it drops here, it drops below there, and all the market conditions have been met. Yep. So I go short. That's the market conditions there. So I enter on that candle. That there, PSRs are quite far off the options, but I'll leave it there, ladies and gentlemen. Do I get 1.5%? Yes, more than that. So you're seeing, ladies and gentlemen, that's 4 wins out of 4. 4. Yep. So let's see the time we're sitting at now. So that's only 2 hours into it. So I'll continue. Price comes back up, has a dance around there. Now, this point, you see we're in a sell momentum. We're in a sell momentum. So I'm tempted to only take sells. Goes back up above that line, underneath that. So it hovers around this. It drops below. It drops below. Market conditions have been met. Let's enter that trade. Do we get 1.5%? Ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world, yet another one. That's 5 trades in a row, 1.5%. If we wanted to keep it going, you can see we'd have probably got double that, but we're not going to count that today. Yeah, it's 5 wins out of 5. Price goes down, comes back up. We have a, yeah, breaks down below there. It breaks underneath there, and it's underneath there. Now, however, we have hidden divergence here. This is the bit. Yeah, I'll wait till there, ladies and gentlemen. No, not on there. That one again. This point of pieces are quite far, to be perfectly honest. Do we make a 1.5%? Not the slightest, 1.45. Not quite, ladies and gentlemen. And then that one would be a loss. We've had a first loss. Personally, myself, I would have exited the trade. I would have brought it back, but let's probably at that point there, but let's just take that one as a loss. It's 1 loss, 5 wins. So that says that 4 wins out of 5. Let me carry on. No trade. Why? Because we're underneath this. At this point here, market conditions have not been met because this is below. So let me down at here. We're above here, but to be honest, we're in the middle of nowhere. We're in the middle of nowhere. I would not take this one. Here we go. Below the line, but above here. At this point here, you can get an entry. There. Stop loss. Above there. Looking for 1.5%. Do we get it? Yes, we do. That's 5 wins out of 6, ladies and gentlemen. 1 point. And again, you would have saw it. Nice. There's another one. Below there. Below there. We're below that point there. Do we get 1.5%? Yes, we do. That's 6 wins out of 7, ladies and gentlemen. 6 wins out of 7. Consolidated in a range. We're looking for the push up one way or the other. Push up here, push up here. At this point here, we're underneath here. Yeah. Push down there, there, and there. We see these expanding, ladies and gentlemen. We're expanding. Let me just double check. There's the hidden divergence. Next candle. Okay, what's not right here? What's not right here? The PSRs here are still showing a buy. So let's not take that. We get the flip. Next candle, in fact. there. Tell me got 1.5%. And yes, we do. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to suggest it's going to be this easy every single day. That's 7 wins out of 8 at 1 to 1.5%. 7 wins out of 8. So 7 times 1.5 is more than 10%. Those people are looking to get a funded account. You can see the power of what I'm showing here. Yeah. And the time for now, that's only, so that was 7 o'clock we started. So that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1. Yeah. 5 hours. No, 4 hours, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, whatever many hours. 7, and we're finished at there. Just to let you see the power of this, the ninja trading system. This is a small part of it. I personally call this strategy the edge. Yep, we've got a special indicator here, powerful entries inbuilt into this system, ladies and gentlemen, and a powerful ninja MACD. So it's been absolutely fabulous. You see the power, 7 wins out of 8 at 1.5% per trade. It's been great seeing here. For those people who want to learn to trade this method, it's a simple, effective method. I personally take it on board to teach you this method once you become one of our members. Let's reach out for a strategy called free. Let me see how you trade. And ladies and gentlemen, if you could imagine getting this, like I say to everybody, I will see you at the top. Bye for now and have a great